Hello, Sudoku friends. We are back again in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 18th, 2020. Yes, back again. This second Sudoku will be number 1362. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. The printed numbers, we have here 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 5 is 17, plus 2 is 19, plus 4 is 23, plus 3 is 26. 26 printed numbers. The previous one, the One Star Sudoku, has 27, this one 26. So let's get started. In this row we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 1. We have a 3 and a 1 in this big square, so no 3 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 and a 1 goes in these 2 boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 3 boxes left for the numbers 6, 2, and 4. We see here 6, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. Alright. Then the 1. So we have an 8 in this column, the 8 in the middle column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. Oh, no, we already have a 4. So, I cannot fill this. How about... the 6 in this row, the 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 6 should be there. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, so the 4 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. The row above, the middle row, we have a 4 over there. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then yeah, here should be the 2 also. We have a 4 here. Can you remember that? this. So one of the missing number in this big square is also a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. So the 7 should be together as a pair with the 4. That means one digit left in this big square for the number 2. Two numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. Then how about the number 3 in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these two boxes. There are 3. No 3 in that box. 1 box left. For the 3 in this big square should be there. And we have a pair. The 1 in this column. The 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. Same story with the 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 3 should be in these two boxes. Together with the 3. 1 and the 3. Let me mark them for you. 1 and the 3. So the 5 goes there. I see. Let me think. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. The 8. In this first column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing in the first column. 6, 7 is missing in the first column. 8 is missing in this column. And then, we have there an 8, here an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 there. So only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see in there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Let me see. Let me see. This big square, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this column. So no 1 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. I marked them for you so it's easier to follow. The other 3 missing numbers should be the 9, the 3, and the 7. 9, 3, and 7. These two should be the 4 and the 7. These two should be the 4 and the 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. Here also a 2, so no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. 2 missing. Oh, no. This row, yeah, the 5 and the 2, sorry, the 2. We have the 2, so no 2 there, yes. 2 missing numbers in this row for the 5 and the 7. 5 and the 7, yes. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 5 goes there. One missing number in this big square for the number 8. We have an 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So in the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers missing. The 4 and the 7. 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah, all the 8s are used, yes. These 3 numbers. 5. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. If there are 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 5 and 7. If there are 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in the first column should be the number 5. Yes, 5. Now we have a 5 there, so there cannot be a 5. Here should be the 1, and there should be the 5. We have a 1 there, so there cannot be a 1. There, this should be the 1, and this should be the 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be there, and 7 goes there. 1 number left in the third row for the number 9. That's 7. Correction. 2 numbers left for the numbers 9 and the 1. 9, sorry, 9 and 3. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 6 and the 5, yes. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. No 2 there. 2 should be there, and the 6 goes there. These 2 numbers, 4 and a 7 in this big square. 4 and a 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 9, 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and the 9 goes there. Finished. All right. 26 printed numbers in this big square, so faster than the previous one with 27. So you cannot tell. Sometimes you have more pairs or whatever. Anyway, do you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, And I will see you later with the third Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. So I will see you then. Thank you for watching this video, and bye bye for now.